Hi, I hope all of you have been taking care of yourselves. Last week we were talking about self care, and today also I'm going to be talking about self care, but I'm going to break it down into smaller, easier bits for you to follow and start practicing. The first thing that all of us can start doing right away along the lines of self-care is to pay attention to food. Pay attention to what is it that we are consuming and how it affects our body. Some of the foods that affect our body and add to stress in a large way are sugars, alcohol, caffeine, and processed foods. So the starting point becomes paying attention to these four categories of foods, and maybe the next step can be switching to one healthy meal every day. So that's the first thing that we can start paying attention to, that's eating or food. The next thing is movement. Again, movement does not mean playing a sport or going to a gym. It could be something as simple as going up and down the stairs to fetch something. It could be moving in your own living room, doing jumping jacks, some yoga, but something that we can do every day and everybody can do, right? The third thing that again all of us can do and we keep coming back to is having some quiet time where you are by yourself and you just focus on breathing in and breathing out and pay attention to what's going on in your mind. Quiet time or spending time focusing on your breathing has tremendous restorative value, and it goes a long way in helping us towards our emotional and mental well-being. The last thing that we can all start doing is connecting with nature. Now, connecting with nature again does not mean a trip to the Himalayas, because we can't do that all the time. But it could be something as simple as listening to the birds chirping, playing with your dog, or just going down and walking on grass maybe, gardening. But earthing or staying grounded with nature again helps our mind and body restore or de-stress, and that's how we are supposed to be. We are essentially creatures of nature. So here are the four things that you can start doing. Eat one healthy meal every day. Pay attention to the sugar, alcohol, caffeine, and processed foods that you're consuming. 10 minutes of movement every day, 5 minutes of quiet time every day, and lastly 10 minutes of connecting with nature every day. In all, this doesn't take more than half an hour of your day, and we need to find time for this. Self-care is not something you do once or twice or when you feel like it. Self-care is a practice. So let's start and let's keep practicing self-care. Take care, stay well, and hope to see you